In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating background effect on your web page using a fluid gradient on a div element. This technique can really elevate the visual appeal of your site, adding depth and dynamism to your design. To get started, we're going to first add a div block to your page. A div is a great building block for website styling and layout because it can be customized extensively. So locate the option to add a new div block within your web development tool or platform. Once it's on your page, let's give it a recognizable class name. Something like Gradient Canvas should do nicely. Naming your class is crucial for organizing and identifying your elements later on, especially if you decide to add more styling or script actions. Now, let's move on to setting the position and size of our new div. Head over to the Style panel, which is your go-to spot for making adjustments to the appearance of your elements. Here, we're going to set the position property to absolute. This tells our div to move independently of other elements, meaning it can be precisely positioned anywhere within its container. After setting the position to absolute, you'll want to select the full option. This essentially stretches our div to cover the entire parent section. Think of it as making sure our canvas is large enough to display the full artistic effect of the gradient. To ensure your gradient stays neatly tucked behind other content, adjust the Z index. Setting the Z index to 0 or even a negative value ensures our gradient canvas remains in the background and doesn't disrupt the layout by overlapping essential content. Next, we'll install a custom attribute which will act as the key to transforming our static div into a lively backdrop. Select the Gradient Canvas div and navigate to the Element Settings panel. Here, we'll add a custom attribute. This involves entering a name and a corresponding value. For this element, name the attribute FC Fluid Gradient and set its value to Component. Adding custom attributes can seem a bit technical, but essentially, they're directions you provide to alter the behavior or appearance of elements without directly modifying the core HTML. Now, with all the setup done, it's time for the reveal. Publish your site to see the results live. When you visit your newly published page, you should see the Gradient Canvas div comes alive with an animated interactive fluid gradient background. It's a beautifully subtle yet impactful addition that can impressively change the feel of your web page. And there you have it, a fluid gradient background for your website using a div block. With practice, you can adjust this setup with different colors and speeds to tailor this feature perfectly to your design needs. Enjoy experimenting and adding this eye-catching effect to your projects.